There are no two ways about the fact that hashtag MeToo movement is gaining momentum. And one of the big names that has come forward is the co-producer of Phantom Films, Vikas Behl, जिन पर 3 साल पहले accusation लगा था of sexual harassment.
In fact, Vikramaditya Motwani and Anurag Kashyap in their statements have actually called him a sexual offender. We also had a conversation with Gulshan Devaiya, who has closely been associated with Phantom Films, and this is what he had to say.
Gulshan, I told you, as we discussed earlier, Gulshan, tell us, when you heard about it, how did you react to it? And since you obviously, closely work with Phantom.
Yeah, it's extremely disturbing. I mean, and I know these people also, so it's even more disturbing because I've met them, we've worked together. It's just like really so unpleasant. And also when people in power don't do anything about it. I mean, of course it takes. I would give, some amount of points for, coming out now and saying that, oh, we made a mistake, we should have done better. But people in power, when they don't do anything and when you learn later that, they could have done something, but they didn't. And then you feel, what's the point of all these things, And it's a really like the taste in your mouth changes. It becomes really sour and it's such an unpleasant feeling that people could have done something about it and they don't do. And then I know some people are saying that at least they have the courage to apologize and admit their mistakes. I don't know. I don't know if that's something that that you can let people off the hook. I mean, whoever is responsible for this, I really hope, and all those people who have committed this sin, this crime of power. It's nothing. It's just a show of power. All these men. We feel sometimes that we are all these powerful and nothing can stop us. It's nothing. It's not about sex. It's about power. It's disgusting. If it was about sex, it wouldn't be like this. This is just a show of power, and it's I don't know what else to say. I'm kind of angry also at the same time, and I'm disappointed with people I know also for not having done enough when they could have. And I'm really disappointed.
I think you sound, again, like you said, you sound even personally disappointed with Anurag.
Yeah.
Right?
See, I can't really. Well, we've worked together, and he's sort of a friend, and his former wife and I are really close. We've known each other for a long time, and maybe he should have done something better. Maybe he really. I mean, he admittedly says so that he should have done something better. So I'm like, and he's a powerful man in the industry. He's Anurag Kashyap. So lakhs of people follow him. They revere the ground that he walks, and then when you hear that such people could have done something better, but they didn't. I mean, I can understand. I don't know. Maybe he was confused. Maybe he didn't know what to do. So then you start thinking if Anurag Kashyap doesn't know what to do, then what the hell do I know?
Planet Bollywood News, Monday to Friday at 7 p.m. only on Zoom.